You know what's crazy? The average person scrolls for 4 hours every single day. 4 hours. That's 60 days a year just gone. But here's the thing. I figured out 3 simple tricks that cut my scrolling in half. And honestly, it's not even that hard. Rule number 1, replace the phone with something better. Here's what I mean. Your brain is addicted to that dopamine hit, right? Scrolling gives it to you instantly. But if you replace your phone with something that gives you the same rush, your brain won't even miss it. For me, it was drawing. For my friend, it was hitting gym. Pick something, anything, that gives you that same instant reward, but makes you feel better instead of worse. That's it. That's the first rule. Rule 2. Schedule your scroll time. Rule 2 sounds weird, but stick with me. Give yourself specific times to scroll, not all day. Specific, like 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. That's it. Here's why this works. Your brain stops constantly hunting for the app because it knows exactly when it gets it. It's like you're not taking something away. You're just putting it on a schedule. The first week is rough, I'm not gonna lie, but by week 2, you stop even thinking about it. I used to reach for my phone 150 times a day. Now, 8 times. Rule 3 is my favorite because it's almost too simple. Add friction. This means make scrolling annoying. Delete the app. Log out every time. Put your phone in another room. Whatever makes you think twice before reaching for it. You'd be shocked how many times you reach for your phone out of habit. Not because you actually want to scroll. Just a quick check, right? No. Add friction and you break that habit loop. I logged out of Instagram. Takes 30 seconds to log back in. Guess how many times I logged back in last week? Twice. 2 times. So you've got your 3 rules. So here's the thing. You don't need some fancy app or willpower hack. You need 1. Replace it. 2. Schedule it. 3. Add friction. 3 simple rules. And honestly, your life changes. You get your time back. You stop feeling that constant itch. Your focus comes back. You actually enjoy things again instead of just consuming. I'm not saying you'll never scroll again, that's not real. But you'll scroll on purpose, not by accident, and that's everything.